Good morning, students of class 10th. In the previous chapter we have discussed about power sharing, that what is power sharing and what are its forms. And with that video your chapter number 1 of civics was complete. In today's video we will be discussing chapter 1 of your economics book, which is development, and today we will be having a general discussion about development, that what is development and how do the governments in any country or in any state perform the work of development. Okay, so let us discuss that what is development. See students, development is the basic necessity right now which every country or every part of any country requires. Okay, every person have different goals, and that is why development is also termed as developmental goals. Okay, developmental goals. So now what are developmental goals? Every person in life wants that his income should increase, his standard of living should increase, and there should be development around him, and developmental goals vary from person to person. Okay, developmental goals vary from person to person. Let me give you an example. Like there is a person named Shyam. Okay, he is a person and his name is Shyam. If Shyam is having a road outside his house and that road is unconstructed, that road is very badly constructed, that road have very many potholes in the road, that कि उस रोड पे बहुत सारे गड्ढे हैं. अब अगर वहाँ पर गड्ढे हैं, नॉर्मल सी बात है, वो वहाँ पर सही से अपनी कार या अपनी साइकिल या फिर कोई भी मोटरसाइकिल है वो नहीं चला पाता है. एंड नाउ हिज will be that road must be constructed, right? That road must be constructed. So the construction of that road for him will be development. If that road will be constructed for him, that will be development, na? So that is development. For any person, if he is unemployed, if a person is unemployed, then if he will be getting a job, then for that it will be development. Then for him the goal will be different. For him the construction of that road for which Shyam wanted will not be a main matter, but the main matter for him will be that he should get a job, and according to him that will be development. Okay, so what I mean to say is that the developmental goals vary from person to person, that every person in the country have different goals and those goals are known as developmental goals. So there is a conflict also sometimes, that a person may want development and the other person may have different goals and they might be conflicting to each other. Now let me give you an example. If there is a forest, let's say there is a forest and there are many trees in there, okay, and due to that forest a road could have passed through it, and if that road could have passed through it, then the travelling distance would have been reduced for some people. Okay, means there is a person named Ram. If there is a person named Ram and Ram wants to go to his work, so he had to go like this, and there is a forest in between. So due to that forest he is not able to go for his work on time, he had to travel a long distance for that. So the government passed a highway through that road, and it said that a highway will be passed through that road, due to which normally it is normal that the trees would be cut down. For passing that highway the trees would have been cut down. Okay, so now there is a conflict, that there are some groups or people who are saying that cutting down of trees should be avoided. Okay, the cutting down of trees should be avoided, and that is why they are protesting that these trees, these forests should not be cut down, because it is very important to the nation, and if they will be cut down, then the economical balance or the biological balance of that place will be disturbed. So now there is a situation of conflict, that Ram wants that for him the development goal would be that the forest should be cut down for a highway to pass, and for the group or the people who are saying that the forest should not cut down because it will disturb the biological balance, the developmental conflict has started. So the government of the country or that state, so the government of the country or that state will have to keep in mind that while doing developmental goals, the conflicts should be reduced. If there will be development in the area, there will be conflicts, it is for sure. It is for sure that whenever there will be development in any area or there might be goals, then there will be conflict of interest between the people, and if there will be conflict of interest between the people, it will be of great importance that the conflicts should be resolved, and for the conflict should be resolved, the government of that country or that state should keep in mind while making the policies, while making the rules or regulations, that minimum developmental conflict should take place. Okay, so I hope from this video you would have been clear that what is development. So development means that when a person's goal are being conflicted and they are being resolved by the government, so their objectives are achieved, it is known as development. Okay students, so today we have discussed a brief introduction about development, and in the next video we will be discussing that how development takes place in the country, what are the planning procedures, who plans development in the country, and after the planning of the development, how those are implemented within the country. Okay students, we will meet in the next video. Till then, take care.